Yeah, so oh, excuse me. I'm just gonna drop my invitation inside of here. We're doing that a little early. um actually yeah, screen one is correct. So here's the thing. We got a couple of different things going on here. We have actually going on. Yeah, so just trying to get into it. Looking at an hourly perspective. We're kind of around a hot area right now. As you can see here, we have this wick, just created another wick. So we're trying to break through that. Otherwise, there's a potential of possible rejection. I already took one trade, but I lost like 10 pips, which is cool. Because that means I still got room for one more trade. I pulled out just because we didn't break how I thought we were going to. We are also really close to the highest point here on this chart as well. If we did break above, then we're clear for some traffic. So we got traffic up to here. So, I mean, we're only really clear for like 20, 30 pips. It's nothing major. News, positive news. Let's see. Retail sales, core retail sales, both positive. Coming down onto this 1 minute chart. You know, I want to wait for this 5 minute close. Because we're getting a ton of rejection right now. I'm okay with however this is going to play out. If we miss a little bit, then that's okay too. Still got about another minute left. 15 minutes. What do they say? Still got about 10 minutes left on that. 5 minutes looking good. 1 minute looking all right. We could wait for a little bit of pullback. I really do see buys. If you check out on the 4-hour chart, we have this big rejection here. I mean, it's possible that we do get a little bit of retracement, but I doubt that we'll see that in this session. More likely than not. I mean, we've already been doing pullbacks. We just rejected this area here and this area here, pretty much. So yeah, realistically, like, we're right on this zone. Broke above here. We had another zone of resistance up here on lower time frames. Already kind of broke through that. We're retesting around on it right now. I think if we technically this was our break here, we have a rejection, possibly another rejection, and then we could wait for a breakout candle in 5 minutes. If we just want to be careful with how we're doing things, because it's early. It's really early. Okay, cool. I don't see anybody on there. Yeah, I'm just gonna be really careful with placing trades right now, just because I already took my trade. I don't know where price is going. I'm not looking at sells right now. Because I mean, we still got like, if I start to see breaks, then I could possibly look for sells. But we'll see how it goes, because even to our next support area, minor support, we're kind of like 20 pips away. So whether or not that's worth it to me for the risk, I don't know. I don't even know if this is worth it to me for the risk. This range, we got like 28 pips. By the time it breaks, it's like the same range. I would say if we continue to reject this area, I would take a buy. But I'm looking at this at on a 5 minute perspective. So it just depends. Really does, because we could also come down here and do something like that, possibly break back into this area to retest and reject. I wouldn't be surprised. Hourly, we already broke over this. Yo. What's going on, Fernando?
Hey, good morning, bro.
Morning. Beautiful. So what I'm seeing right now, we kind of been over a lot of this. I have been over a lot. A lot of this is talking to myself. But we're kind of in an uptrend, as you can see, of course. Couple different things that I'm looking at here. So if we take a look at this, we are out a wick area. So we're kind of at an area where there's wick, and then also at this area up here is like the highest point that we've been at. Stop that. Also, another thing to look at is that on 4 hours, we kind of had like this big ass wick. So I think we're moving up. News was bullish. So that's all good news. We're looking at this from like hourly perspective now, and yeah, we're just kind of waiting for the price to move around. There's not really like too much going on. I'm thinking like what I'm looking at right now, we kind of broke through some like minor resistance area right here. So since we broke through that minor resistance area, I'm kind of waiting for some sort of like rejection confirmation on the 5 minute, just because it's not, we're not in actual New York session yet. So I want like some additional confirmations. So basically we have one rejection here after the breakout candle, and then we have another possible rejection. And then we're just waiting for like a breakout candle here. And then we could possibly be clear for buys. Let's see. I'm not really looking at sells too much right now. But if we break back into this area, then possibly you could take a sell down to here, and maybe we might even be able to take a sell down to the trend line area. So I mean, selling potential is there, but we just got to wait and see what price does. I'm more leaning towards like buys, just because of how like higher time frame price is moving. Hourly, we're in a big ass bullish candle. 4 hours, we had a giant ass wick rejection. See. Yeah, so just kind of waiting for price. News positive. We also have another news here. Prelim UOM consumer sentiment. It is. There are 2 versions of data released 14 days apart. Cool. Sweet. So whatever price does, it does. Check here, 5 minutes. Got about 2.5 candles left. My 1 minute's not even moving. So one other thing that I was looking at, because it looks like my trading view might be frozen again. Shit happens sometimes. But we have this here. I was thinking that it's possible that there might be like some sort of a retracement. If it does happen to, if we do happen to get like some sort of a retracement back into the zone, it would be here. But if we do break that zone below, then I would probably flip and look towards like possibly taking some sells. If I did take a sell, I'd probably be more conservative and take it below here. Still clear for like 25 pips, which it looks like on my MT4 price is moving down right now as we speak. Price is dumping right now, more like. Holy, why are all these fucking alarms going off? Okay, so I don't know what in the world is going on right now. I hate when price does this. Okay. So let's see here. Another thing that I could see is if you're looking to take like buys off of rejection, possibly. Okay. What is going fucking on with this? Looks like I'm just getting zero fuck all, dude. God damn, bro. Makes it hella hard to analyze when
Yeah, I'm getting the same thing. It's not going anywhere for no 1 minute.
On SPX or on it just makes it hella hard to analyze when they do shit like this. And I swear to God, it's on purpose or something. So it's a hella annoying. Hella annoying. Because I say here on my MT4, I mean, what it looks like happened is that it did come down and retrace to this area here. So I think it did come down and hit like a golden zone retracement. And then now it's like trying to bounce out of that, at least based on my MT4. But the issue is that I can't fucking see shit. Bro. Oh, is my price back out of fucking nowhere? Oh my God, dude. Shit is always so annoying. Oh my gosh. You gotta love it. I don't care about crypto news right now. Nope. Price is not back. What a session, man. Fucking trading views broken. Oh, so ugly. It would have been fucking fantastic if my shit actually worked. Really hard to analyze like this, but $3.9 looks like the break that I'd be looking for sells still. So that's kind of what we're waiting for. Went to 5.2, so we went right inside of this area. We are around 5.7 right now, so that would be at the bottom of this. We're kind of playing around with some like rejections right now to this area. I know we can't fucking see shit, but it's okay. Oh my gosh, my price is back. Okay. Only 10 minutes of delay. That's all. That's all. Okay. So if price continues to keep breaking this area now that price is back up, we'll be looking at sells. Sells are still going to be placed below this area here, just because that's going to be in confluence with SMAs, golden zone retracement. We'd be breaking this minor support area, and then we could have price continue down to this trend line. But if price continues to hold here, I think that we could just be moving back up. 15-minute perspective. What do we have? Fib retracement. So from a 15-minute perspective, the retracement's a little bit lower. At our current level of support that we're trying to break through. So I mean, if we broke through that, technically we'd be breaking the retracement on 15-minute as well. Let's see, 30 minutes. We're looking at, see, the only thing is that we didn't make a, I mean, I guess maybe we did. Yeah, so we're just waiting to see what price does. That's all I'm really caring about right now. Okay, so cool. But where does that help me out? Oh wow. Okay, so one of the things I'm looking at right now is I'm still kind of biased towards buys at this point. But if we don't continue to see like movement towards the upside, then I don't really see like buys continuing to happen. I'm not really looking at nothing like too much differently right now. We're still playing around on like this golden zone retracement for the area we're at right now. I mean, if I measured it off this one candle, yeah, we're right there. So we're just waiting to see what happens. I still think price is just waiting right now to continue upwards. So all it's doing. Got wicks. Well, now we're breaking out, so. Okay, so we tapped on that 50. Have some minor here. Okay, so might have a minor trend line formed on lower time frames. So we could be waiting for 2 breaks. I think this retracement is now invalid. Jesus, okay. Okay. So I think if we break out of this area, then I might be clear for like some buy or something. We got about 13 pips stop loss, targeting higher if we do jump into this. It's a little bit riskier taking a trade around this area right here. But we'll see what price decides to do. And it looks like it's just gonna fucking fly. It's gonna come down at all. Okay, so jumped into that one. Where did we take it? 6.2. Stops are gonna be just below, and we're targeting higher areas. We'll see how price is gonna move.
Earlier today, this morning I was looking at SPX because I woke up like at 4:50, 4:55, and I was seeing how like we were going on a, a bull push, and then it started consolidating in this like purple box right here, and then I just put like my risk to reward. That's it. I think I sent it to you.
Okay. Yeah, so you have price. Your risk to reward is, hold on real quick. Your risk to reward. Yeah, so I'd say your risk, so your reward right now, if you entered on that break, if you had entered in on that break there, your reward is about like you have like a 1-to-1 risk reward right now. So I would probably, what I would do is probably secure partials at like 1-to-1 risk. But I mean, it's kind of up to you if you're targeting that higher zone. Do you have any reason why you're targeting that high? Like, is that like a resistance level or something?
Yeah, it was. It is,
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Yeah, that's not too bad at all. Because then your stops are just below like that little consolidation zone. So if it did break back in, and I mean, it looks like you're in profit right now. So
Yeah, it was a pretty good idea, but I didn't take it.
oh
It was just
no.
moving way too fast.
Oh
I,
no.
I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to look at like uh UJ.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah, I was looking at UJ for a bull run too, and like I would have been, yeah. See, if I would have just stick to SPX, I was moving around way too much.
Yeah, I'm in this trade right now. I think I'm gonna keep my stops kind of short. Just because I'm already up over like 10 pips.
Damn, I would have
So
been up 35 pips.
yeah, that would have been gross. I thought you took
Damn,
it. I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, because that's like kind of
I was gonna take it. I was gonna fucking UJ. Fucking that shit sucks. It's the worst.
hey man, it is what it is. At least
It's all good.
you're the
At least I got
analysis.
it right. Yeah.
Yeah, the analysis is there. Now you just gotta execute on it.
Yeah, but my bias was a buy. It was for long because I saw the push on like 5. No, I woke up like a 4:50. Yeah. Never mind. Yeah, my alarm was at 4:50 because remember I told you I was trying to wake up like 4:30,
Mm-hmm.
but I forgot and I put my alarm to like 4:50. But yeah, I woke up at 4:50 and then I saw the push on 5:13, like around there. And just because that big push to the upside, my buy was I was already looking for a buy, but then it started consolidating up because like it moved and it was just consolidating after the move. But yeah,
Yeah, I just I just secured partials up at this zone here. So we took some partials. And now we're just waiting for price to go. I'm gonna
but yeah, my idea basically was what we talked about yesterday, how I was trying to figure out like this price trap area.
yeah, so the price trap area is just like it's basically just like a consolidation zone. It would be like exactly how you pointed out. So, it would be something like this here where you see price hitting the same highs, the same lows, and it's not going anywhere. So like to your point, like this right here, I guess you could consider some sort of like this isn't like so much of an example of it, but like this right here could be considered like some sort of price trap. You have price just bouncing on the same spot. So this is like trapped in here. And then you have this higher spot, which we got wicked out on a couple times, and then also here as well. So you wouldn't want to trade this zone here unless price broke out, which it looks like this looks like almost the same exact zone that you were trading. And then you traded this break here or would have, and then you would have been in profit right now, 20 up like 20 pips. So, and with your stops, you still would have been safe. So yeah, man, it seems like you got it on point with what you're looking for. So it's just sounds like just the execution pieces. That's all that's left.
Yeah, next time I'm just taking the XPX. That's just stupid. It's the worst. I hate that. God damn. But at least I'm improving. Like
Sure.
yesterday helped a lot, bro.
Good. Happy to hear that. Yeah, I'm still in this motherfucking trade. U.S. equity set to rebound at open. I always hate when I see shit like that. Like, bro, what do you mean rebound? Like they always make they always make the title so weird. Like we're not at fucking all-time highs right now. Like rebound from what? What the fuck are you talking about?
For real.
I like to just make headlines sound so like fantastic.
Well, at least we had like positive news though. Like U.S. retail sales climbed more than forecast in June.
Mm-hmm. God damn. What's up, babe? Yeah, I stole it. I was like, what the fuck happened to my juice? Sorry. Love you too. Yeah, man. So I'm chilling at this point. I'm surprised. Joe said he was gonna join the call again. He must have slept in. My man Joe made his $75,000 and he said, all right, don't talk to me.
Yeah, he really got those in the mail. He said, I'm gone.
That's what I'm saying. He pulled out 75K cash. He said, I'm going to bed now. So I done work my fucking ass off. I'm going to sleep.
Fucking
damn.
Yeah, I saw one of his like Instagram stories, and he was hanging out with someone like rich.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. Like, if you want to level up, bro, that's the goal, bro. If you want to level up, you gotta level up the people you're around. But I heard
with better than you.
Yep. I heard something interesting though. They said like, somebody said something like, you what the fuck did they say? All right, we're running up to the top. That's what I'm looking for. They said something like, fuck. Sorry, I'm watching this price right now. But they said something like you can only hang out like, or the people that you're around, you can hang out with like only like 10, it's like 10 times of like whatever your net worth is or something like that. Like you can only expect to get that certain level of exposure, because otherwise like you couldn't, like probably a billionaire, like they wouldn't gain anything from being around you. You know what I'm saying? But the but you could hang out with like, if you're making like $100,000 a year, you can hang out with like a millionaire. So you want to try and like 10x your value. You know what I'm saying? So if I'm making $2 million a year, then it's probably safe for me to hang out with somebody that makes like $20 million a year, just because like I'm in their price range. Like, you know what I'm saying? It is kind of weird, but
Yeah, because there's a possibility to still grow. Damn, this trade would have been nice.
yeah, I'm just waiting to see how price reacts. Like, I'm still trying to see if I can pull some profits out of it. Price is just kind of like fucking around in this area right now. So we'll see what happens at open. Um,
Damn, still not open.
I think if we break like too low below this area here, then I might just close out the trade.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Just because like it's already created another level of support. So I know that my stops are at break even right now, but if we continue to blow past that low area, then most likely price is just going to continue going down. Because I'm trying to think right now, like if I hadn't entered a trade yet, and if I hadn't entered a trade yet, then this probably would have been an area where I would have taken a sell. So like now I just start to try and like play against myself when I exit my trades. So I start to look at it and I say like, okay, if I was not in a trade yet, what would I do? And I'd probably look for sells below this area here. You know, maybe not exactly, but that's, you know, I could see myself doing some shit like that. So if I would
You
sell,
got free traffic.
exactly. So if I would sell that, then I don't want to be in that. So, but technically either way, it's profit. I hope price just like continues up on open, because that would be fucking amazing. But
I don't know. I've been thinking about what Joe said the other day, how um the banks when they open, they see once price is like already gone, like pre-market, they bring that shit down to where they want it.
yeah, it happens. So I
And then
mean, if there's any like financial institutes in the market right now, then definitely that's probably where their mindset's going to be at.
that's that's like I that's why I've been thinking like how like price goes up and then it comes back down to like a demand area.
Mm-hmm.
But like it would like um be way past your support area that you're talking about.
Yeah, it would be.
I don't know. It's just I need more practice on this shit to like have an actual point to discuss.
Yeah, let me see something real quick. Price is fucking up, bro.
Yeah. Are you tapping out?
I'm letting it run still unless we get like a close below this area here.
Oh yeah,
Then I would pull it out, but just waiting to see how price moves. It looks like it does not want to do shit right now except go up or just consolidate, but we're about to find out. It's probably just gonna wait. It's gonna wait until like fucking right at market open, and then it's gonna either just dump on my ass or take off.
do you use magic keys?
No, I ordered some, but it takes forever for them to get here.
Oh damn. How much are they?
Let's go. Come on now.
That shit's
God damn.
damn. That shit hit TP.
Let's go.
Nice. Yeah, I think mine's kind of slow. I still don't see that. I see like what the fuck? Which one are you using? I think I'm using fucking Wanda. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm using Wanda. Wanda? Is that how you say it? Did you have a TP set or not? Like
No, not there. I was going a little higher than that, but I just closed out right here. Disrespectful.
damn. If you would have had a TP, would have smashed it. Just barely tapped it.
Yep. It's cool though. Like I was gonna either way I would have got stopped out right here. I think like the biggest thing is I'm trying to get better with my trades to let them run, because Joe does this interesting thing where he will like
I was doing
he'll
what I told you. That's some bullshit, huh?
yeah. Yeah, I kind of expected this. So we have this break below. If it continues to break, then it'll probably come down to like this area right here. And then if price continues down to here, then it will reject and then probably come back up into the same zone here. So there's probably like another opportunity for trade.
I'm usually fucking like interested in how like this risk to reward that I have said like I would still not be in any fucking withdrawal, like drawdown.
Mm-hmm.
I would still be like in some profits.
Hell yeah, bro. It's just the execution now. Damn,
I
bro,
know
this is hella sad, but it's okay.
13 pips in profit still. Points. I don't know if they're pips or whatever. Because SPX is weird. I don't understand it.
Yeah,
And
bro.
yeah, what were you saying about like that? What Joe does?
So what he typically does is he has like a couple different like strategies with how he runs things. So you have like 20 pip like secure for partials. And where I always fuck up at is like I'll always secure partials at or my full order at 20 pips. So when he secures partials, he secures them at 20 pips, and then he'll secure another like order or half of his order at like 50 pips or something like that, like 30 or 50 pips. So what I
Oh
had
yeah,
going
I've seen that.
yeah, so what I had going on here was I probably should have just closed out right here because I would have got more. But I was trying to let it run to 50 pips because I'm usually just I'm awful about letting my shit run most of the time. And it just fucks up a lot of my profits or like potential earnings that I could have had. So like if I just let shit run out, that's where you get like those 100 pip moves. Like take this for example, if let's say I took this trade here, I would have secured 20 here, right? But if I let it run, then I would have been up 60. You see? So like
Yeah.
you secure at 20, and then I could have secured more at 50. So I would have secured here, and then I could have kept the rest of my stop loss at 30, like whatever 30 would have been, like right back here. So either way, my average would have been at 40 pips. And if it was at 50, I could have let it run to like 70 or 100, whatever he does after that. But that's like the idea behind it. So I could have secured, where was it, 20? Yeah. So like this move right here would have been cool, or like a good example of it. 20 pips secured, and then it would have been worth it to let it run. So that's what I was trying to do on this trade over here that I took.
Damn, price really went for a fucking sell.
Oh yeah, price is fucking gone at this point. This shit is, all this analysis is garbage now. But I still think price is gonna come down, tap in the zone, and then buys are full game, dude. But this right here, this would be a sniper ass entry. That's what I would be looking at if I was waiting for buys, or if I missed it, or whatever. Just because if we come up onto 15 minutes, what else do we have?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro, that would be a fat ass rejection. But I've seen shit like that happen all the time. Ooh,
No,
bless
bless
me.
you.
All right. Sheesh. Anyways, well, this was a good session. I'm about to hop off this shit, and
All right,
yeah,
bro.
man.
Good looks.
Yep. Oh, Pedro was in here the whole time.
God
What
damn.
the hell? I didn't even hear.
Yeah, for me either. Damn, bro, I would still be no.
Yeah, I was.
Oh, did you catch any of that buy?
No, I caught. Well, actually, I caught a little bit, but I stopped. I closed out too, and
Oh, okay.
but I don't know, man. These last few days, last few weeks during open, it's been kind of crazy, man. So, uh,
Yeah, dog.
yeah,
Definitely has been. I like this week. I kind of fucked up on one of the days because price was just moving in consolidation. But this shit right here, damn. I guess you guys can't see my screen anymore. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to hop off here. Just watch if you guys are still looking for trades. Just watch this area we're at now, because technically it's bouncing off this trend line and price is already fucking zooming upwards. But I'm done with my trades for the day. Thanks, guys, for hopping on. Appreciate it.
yeah.
All right, peace.
Peace.